Good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. Hey, we are day 8 of the power of listening. The power of listening. So, hey, family, I want to welcome you back to the Family Reset. Daily steps to strength and unity and strengthening you. We've talked about words, present, and leading by example. But today, let's focus on something just as important, the power of listening. Listening. Too often we listen to and respond instead of listening to understand. Listen to respond. But real connection happens when we slow down and give each other the space to be heard. James 1:19 says, "Be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry." Imagine how many conflicts could be avoided if we truly listen to each other with love and patience, right? So today, here's the challenge. I challenge you to have a conversation where you just listen. No interruptions, no rushing to fix things. Just hear them out. Ask, how are you really doing? And then let them talk. Listening is one of the greatest ways to show love. Let's reset our families by creating a culture where everyone feels valued and heard. See you tomorrow for another step forward or towards strength and unity. Don't forget you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So let that listening go twice as much. You guys have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.